Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. Thank you. Today I come with one story. One boy for Ghana, maybe say won't hang himself because of woman. Who does that? You won't kill yourself because of woman for what? When woman surround everywhere. No be wetin even do. No be say won't kill yourself. They go fall for inside water tank. Say won't kill yourself. I just see this morning. The next make I read am. He say if for inside water tank, go say the girl break your heart. If man break your heart, you move on, no time. Na so it be for man. If man still break your heart, you move on because no time to check time. You no fit kill yourself for anybody because the girl no. If the girl love you, for not leave you. Maybe the girl still leave you for purpose. Maybe your old person dey come for you for one side. Maybe your boyfriend still leave you. Still know say the boy no still worth you. The boy not worth you. No, maybe God wants to bring better person come your way. Now so if everything was na 50-50, person live your life, just dey happy. Another person will come, one better pass 100%. Because every you marry for this life, get your things for earth when you can't do. So if wrong person come your life, they say they won't go. You don't need to kill yourself, put because nobody water at all. Nobody water. So na wetin me I can't tell una, nobody want am o. Una maybe just start this line to popori, enjoy yourself the way you see am. You know, be say you could go kill yourself because say this man don leave me or my girlfriend leave my boyfriend. Even though na money you spend for na leave am make carry go, God will bless you with another one. Na so e be for this life. So you no need to dey carry headache say because say my girlfriend leave me or my boyfriend leave me, say you wan kill yourself. If you kill yourself, the girl just move on. You don't waste be that. All the money wey your man take train you, all of them don waste. All the school, if you see ghost, all the school you go, you don waste. You just put your mama for make your man dey cry. Why the girl go marry, dey enjoy with the born children for another man? Or if you be girl, you kill yourself because say your boyfriend leave you. The man will just dey go give another woman where they bomb follow everywhere. Why you just wasted products? Not just get used for life. Because of man you die or because of woman you die. If you can't help, wetin you wan come tell God? Wetin you wan tell God say happen? Say you kill yourself because of woman. When God, now they go for tell you say he put woman for you for your own woman. That will not be your husband. The other one not be your wife. So anybody wey wan leave your life, let am go because they no want am. If person wan say wan leave you, you know say good thing dey come your way. So na wetin I get to control this. Okay, like one when I see just now. If boyfriend catch the girl for hotel, the girl tell am say no be you fair do. You see one you cheat, I cheat. He jump the girl for hotel because of if another boy carry a girlfriend for hotel, they pay na, but when they do you, he not pay the girl. He say na be the head. When the girl come do anana, he blow alarm say the girl don cheat on her, and the girl now come dey tell am say you too not cheat on me too. You cheat, I cheat. Na be the matter. Na dey happen now. But for one thing, not see good make woman still dey do all those. If you don't see you get girlfriend, your boyfriend dey cheat, just leave am. If you don't say no go fit leave am, rest like that. Just dey. You manage am like that. If you cheat come by, you still come meet you. But for me, I no go fit take am. Lie, no fit take am. So I want to say, I just hear just now. The girl say he pay last year. He pay his boyfriend house rent for 1 year. This year he pay again. Then boyfriend call am, tell am say may not vessel. Say he don't mistakenly give woman belle. Because as he tell am finish, he say the thing hot am o, but because he give the girl, the boy, the same boy, so he ATM can make it go withdraw money. And as he not give am finish, and I come clear say the girl does scam, the boy does scam am. That one na stupidity. I been na wetin. I no understand. I no even understand some women. Yeah. Anyway, na love sha, because they say love is blind. They say love is blind. Eh? Now you dey pay the boy house. Boy when be say never even feed himself. Now you dey pay the house rent. He go give you my belle. That may not deserve you be that now. e no deserve you. Na you dey pay house rent, na you dey do everything for am. Even say no even pay house rent, but when you reach to give woman belle, you no think of you say na you dey na you dey pay house rent, because you come tell you say you don give woman belle or you use mistake, even dey cheat on you. You use mistake take give am belle. You go say you go carry your ATM card, you go carry am give am. You for go ma tell the girl make take care of responsibility. Make the boy how dey take, make you tell the boy now when be say you don give another woman belle, you cheat on me before. Okay, no wahala, make the girls how dey pay your house rent and dey fill your bill. And then go to say dey scam am. No, God, na only God will help us. It is well. Thanks for watching me. Please try to, if you like my video, try to share my video to your friends. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.